I got to say that when you just read transcripts, she comes off as very honest. That she's not sugarcoating things, she is not overstating things. She comes off as very honest. And when she talks about how she felt, she doesn't necessarily ascribe it to Diddy that, I didn't want to do it. She doesn't say Diddy still said you have to. I mean, she never took those jumps. And to me, that shows an honest witness. So I got to say, when I've read this over the last couple of days, I think she comes off as incredibly believable. That said, the defense was trying to paint a picture of a relationship that was loving at times, and that where she consented to a lot of these freak-offs, even liked and loved them over a period of time by showing these texts. And the other thing that I thought was really fascinating was, we told you that the prosecution admitted into evidence, or the judge did, the unedited 2016 Intercontinental Hotel tape where Diddy beat her up so badly. And, that's something that the defense is going to have to figure out how to overcome. They tried it today. I don't think this works. They were suggesting to Cassie that as that event was going down, for the day before and that day, he was struggling with drug withdrawal. And I don't know how else to cut this. It seems like what they were doing is they were saying that it was some kind of an excuse that he was going through drug withdrawal, and that he wasn't in his right mind. I don't know that that's going to sit well with the jury. She actually said, she didn't know anything about drug withdrawal. She said he was sick at the time. But again, even trying to make a defense out of what people see on that video, I think is just a huge mistake. Frankly, I'm surprised that the defense raised that. I don't see them gaining any points. I actually see them losing points by it. And I also want to say that I think that if there is benefit of the doubt, where a jury kind of thinks Cassie's right, but they're not positive Cassie's right, I think they are going to give her the benefit of the doubt because, at least in my mind, she appears so honest in what she's saying.